Hello friends, thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to learn how to come up with the perfect title for your episode interactive story. So first you want to start generating some ideas for your title. What I like to do is start with what is my story about? Get to the guts of the story, like the real core message, and then come up with a series of keywords that I feel represents that message. So for example, with Recently Royal, I pulled together like princess, royal, rebel, love story, forest, adventure, determination, like all of these keywords that I thought really represented, the core of my story. Now, I want you to write all of these keywords down. It can be 5 to 10 to 100 to 20, like whatever number it is, write them all down because we're going to use them in step 2. Oh, hey Tom, come here. Oh, hey buddy. All right, so now that you have your keywords, we're going to use them to come up with something catchy. You want your title to be catchy in a way that people remember it. Not only so they remember your story, but also so they remember how to search it when they've heard about it and now they're on the episode app and they want to type it in and find it. You want it to be maybe 3 or 4 words long, nothing too long. Something that is easy for people to remember and easy for them to remember how to spell and type in. To boost the catchiness of your title, try these 3 tricks. Alliteration. Look at your keywords and see if they inspire any other words that might match the word. For example, Severus Snape or Pied Piper is an example of alliteration. In alliteration, you're using 2 words that sound similar or maybe start with the same letter. It's almost like a mnemonic device to help people remember the name or the title. Rhyming. Rhyming is also a great way to boost the catchiness of your title. A lot of song titles use this, a lot of book titles, like Fox and the Socks, all those Dr. Seuss titles that you remember from your childhood. Rhyming, again, like alliteration, helps the mind remember the title. And in having a successful episode interactive title, that's what you want. You want your readers to remember your story. Final tip is a play on words. Use a word like a pun. Oops. Hey buddy, don't chew on that. Oh. Whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. You can sit here, but you gotta sit here, okay? You're in kitty jail. Okay. So my 3rd tip is a play on words. So this could be sneaking in a pun to your title or using a word that sounds like it could be used for what you're using it for, but maybe typically doesn't belong in that sentence. An example is saying fairy tale instead of fairy tale. It sounds the same, but you're using something unique enough to boost your difference within your title. All right, and now for some quick tips. Keep your title short so it's easy to remember. Take 5 minutes and search on the app to make sure nobody else is already using your title. This will help prevent reader confusion when they're searching for your story or the other author's story. And finally, pick a title that is relevant to your story. Clickbait is only going to end in angry readers. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit subscribe and ring that bell and come back again next week for more helpful episode tips and tutorials. Thank you from me and Tom. I hope you people of Earth have a lovely week and I'll talk to you again soon.
I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to the bottom when I kiss her. If you want